What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Chrex, and today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make 3D logos / 3D text in Photoshop for your banners, logos, streams, and more. Today we're going to be making a logo for a Discord server member named Noro, who actually asked for this video because he thinks it's important that some people that don't have the means for other 3D softwares know how to make 3D text and logos in Photoshop. And this is something I can consistently do, and I do actually often for people when I make them logos. So this is a nice skill to learn, and hope you guys enjoy the video. So first up, we're going to start with picking out our text. For him, his name is Noro, so I'm going to do N-O-R-O. He has a green emblem, but I think I want to match with this background that I have here, so I'm going to stick it on a kind of purple. Yeah, we're going to go with the pink. Let's stick it on a pink, and I'll make sure I get my font size right, because once you get into 3D, changing sizes is kind of annoying, and so you want to make sure you know what you're setting up first before you continue on to the rest of your project. Alright guys, now that I have my text placement, I'm going to personalize my text. I'm converting this to a smart image, and I think I've now also rasterized it, and I'm going to start customizing my text. Now I can't edit it, type back into it. You're gonna have to press Ctrl Z or start a new text layer if you want to edit your text. Now to edit my text, I'm going to use the polygon lasso tool. I'm going to zoom in. Hold up, I gotta unclick from this. I'm going to zoom in to my text so I get a pretty detailed look at what I'm about to edit right now. So I'm liking most of what's going on with this text, but I have an idea for this, so I'm going to go to the end. Yeah, going to the end. I'm just gonna do a quick little shape thing going on right here. Alright, we're good to go. Alright, so now that I've edited my text, picked the sizing, and done what I need to do to the text itself, we're going to move on to making this a 3D layer. To make it a 3D layer, you just have to right click on your text layer, well now a rasterized text layer, and click New 3D Extrusion from selected layer. So now this is a 3D layer. I could have done this and made each letter a separate layer and done all this stuff, but this is a simple 3D logo video. If you guys want a more complicated one, I can do that, and just like and tell me and comment in the comment section down below if you want a more in-depth or a more wild variety of logo types, so I can do a video like that as well. Anyway, moving on, we're going to now edit the color of the back of this text. So you want to grab the very first tool on the 3D mode, and I'm just going to I just turn my text. I'm going to double click. I actually want it to be white, so make the background of that white, turn it back, see how it looks. And also you can see the back is kind of thick. Right here is the extrusion depth. You can see I can stretch it out really far, or I can bring it in. We want a decent 3D effect, but not something that's overpowering. So I'm gonna do it right about there. And let's see how that looks. Now we go back to layers, and let's turn it back just a little bit more. Alright, now that I've got it oriented to the way I want it, I'm going to turn this now back to a smart object. So now this is a smart object again, so the layer is now been 3D'd, and now it's back to normal. Now this is where we can have our fun. We can have our effects, our background images, and all that and above. So I'm gonna do that right now. Quick little time lapse, and you're gonna see how I make these logos look the way they do. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. I really appreciate everyone that's been in the Discord, commenting, talking, and sharing their amazing content. If you guys aren't already in Discord, make sure you join down below, be in the description, and also follow my Twitch because streaming will begin soon. I'll be streaming games and also streaming tutorials for video editing, graphic design, photography editing, filters, all that type of stuff. So make sure you join the Discord because that's where I communicate the most with the people that are subscribed to this channel, and that way we can have more collaborative content. Anyway guys, thanks Noro for this video because he gave me the idea in the first place. Like and subscribe, comment down below, and see you guys next time on Chrex Productions.